What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another YouTube video. If you guys are new here, welcome. Before we start, make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe and share this video out. I'm gonna get into all the details, all the functions and all that great stuff, and I'm gonna give this my best opinion, rated 1 to 10, okay? And I'm gonna tell the truth and nothing but the truth, okay? Xbotgo Chameleon. So if you have children that are coming up into sports, if you go to a lot of games, football games, basketball games, all types of sports, this is the product for you. Like myself, I do work out. This is great for working out as well. So if you're trying to record yourself, baby, you don't have to worry about recording yourself. This is a tracker. It does it for you, okay? So I'm going to show you guys all of the advantage about this. So instead of you being at your son's football game or basketball game and you're trying to record your kids, this is going to record and it tracks all their different moves like that, okay? So you don't have to do anything but sit back and enjoy the game. If you want to work out, you don't have to worry about working the tripod or moving it or position it. Like I work out too at the gym, and sometimes I do different movements, and now I don't have to worry because this is going to track it. If I move to the left, it's going to move to the left. If I move to the right, it's going to move, honey. So that's the great thing about it. If you don't have this, click on my link, grab yours today. Thank me later and you won't be sorry. So I got my boys here and they love to play sports. So let's get into it. All right, so this is a case for your camera, okay? Look like a little dust bag. You can put your camera in here to protect it. And then this must be something to wipe, a little cloth to wipe your lens, okay? And then of course, this is the camera. And this is in a shade of green, very stylish, very glamour, very cutesy. So, all right, so this is the camera. And it's Xbotgo, guys. So this is what it looked like. This must be for the mount. This part is for the mount, for the tripod. And this must be to put the camera on top. And we're gonna see what this thing do. I have heard great things about it. This is the lens part here. And it comes with a remote control. And then it also have a charger. This is a charger piece for it. And this is a Xbotgo Chameleon booklet with the instructions here. And then I also have another pamphlet here. All right, and it also came with a tripod, which is really cool. Let me unbox the tripod, guys. So this is the tripod. So this is their tripod that was sent as well. I'm assuming it's a tripod, so I'm gonna unbox this as well. Okay, guys, so, so I'm sliding this out. Okay. All right. So this is what this looks like, guys, and I'm going to open it. Yep, like I said, it was a tripod. Okay, that's really cool. So this is the little bag. This is really cool. So it's the Xbotgo. Has the name of the brand here. Tripod. And it's like that. I'm going to very solid, guys. So I'm gonna set this up and I'm going to show you guys. So give me a minute while I set this up. Make sure that it's tightened so it won't go anywhere. So I made it really tight so it wouldn't move. All right, so now we have this on tight, y'all. So it looks like that. So let me get the remote control, y'all. Hold on. Okay, so now I have to connect the Bluetooth on here, guys, and we should be almost ready with this. Okay, guys, so as you can see, it is moving in the direction of where the boys are playing the football. This is so cool. And it's tracting every which way the boys run. Look how cool this is, y'all. I am loving this. 360 angle. And I'm not doing any work. So this is like so super cool. So you can also control it by the remote control. So this is how it is, y'all. Look how it's moving. And I don't have to do much to it, y'all. This is so super cool. I'm loving this. I love that it's so crystal clear. So you can put it in 1080 pixels. This has a lot of, you can go live. You can do so much on here. See, it caught that little baby up here, y'all. Look at this, y'all. Look how cool this thing is. So any movement, it just follows, y'all. So I'm gonna rate this as a 10. I'm loving it. Like I said, it's good for sports. If you're working out, any type of movement, if you're doing video in a party, you can catch a lot on here, and we will be using this.
Yeah.
So we are still learning this, so I'm gonna get used to it. It's gonna take me a little practice to get used to all the features. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Do y'all love this? But I'm loving it because I love that I don't have to do much. You can use the remote control as well, and it's great. So I'm gonna see you on the next one. Peace, bye. Thank y'all for watching this YouTube video. Make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe. Share this video. Shout out to Xbotgo Chameleon for sponsoring this video. Click on the link, grab yours today. All the details will be in the description. I'll see you on the next video. Peace and blessings. Bye.